That is a room. This resort is called the La Flora Jungle Hill Resort, just like the name goes. This is somewhere inside the jungle kind of a place, and it is on top of a hill. You can see that is how the place is. There are a lot of steps or inclination to take to go to the room. But overall the location is very, very beautiful. We're going to have breakfast, which is there, and that is the restaurant. Good thing is you can take your car till your room at least, so that you don't have to carry your luggage or every time walk from the parking area to your room. So somewhere there is the entrance, you have to go down. Just done with the breakfast. And not very fancy, pretty basic breakfast. So on the menu it was just dosa, pongal, a couple of varieties of chutney and some sambar, coffee, tea, and a little bit of fruits and all that. That's about it for the complimentary breakfast. It's time to pack up and leave this place. Pretty serene. As you can see, there's some mountains around. We're checking out of this place. The time is 11:05. In fact, we had to leave at 10, but we couldn't, with the baby. It's a little difficult to maintain timing. Taking the car out of this place is gonna be a little tricky. So if you guys come here and if you are driving by yourself and if you're new to driving, I would recommend you to, take help of the hotel staff here to get a car near your room and take it out, okay, because there is steep inclination and there's a sudden drop if you have to go down. Bye, good day. We're here at Nisargadama, which is close to Kushalnagar, and we're here to see this place where there are exotic birds and fishes so that Yashu can enjoy looking at them and feeding them at least. Well, most of the fishes here you'll find in the aquarium shops. There are hamsters and the white rat there. There's one hamster. Oh, this guy has cute babies.
Kutti papa.
Ungar papa dumu this. Roll. Ungar return both papa. This guy is actually the exotic. It's the alligator gar. These guys actually grow super big. Okay, we've entered the place where there are birds.
Oh, look at this. துணி எல்லாம் மம்மம் சாப்பிடுது. It's so cute la.
Here. நீ அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கோ. சரி அப்படியே புடிச்சு.
புச்சா நீ இங்க புச்சா.
அப்படிதான். See these cute babies. They are tamed and good enough. They don't bite you. They don't nib you at all. They are busy eating their feed. There you go. Once they are done, tata bye bye. They leave you. Terrific. One guy who landed on me just now. You see this guy? I think he is curious looking at the mask.
அவளுக்கு தெரியல actually. கத்துது பேர். ஏய் குத்திட போகுது. மாமா பாரு. ஐயோ அழகா சாப்பிடுது. அழகா சாப்பிடுது மாமா.
எல்லாம் ஒண்ணா பறந்து போச்சு. This is definitely a steal of the deal. You get to go feed the birds. Especially kids are gonna have very good fun, so you can bring your family, your kids. Very good place. Isn't it a good place?
Yeah, she enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, she enjoyed.
I didn't expect it, and she refused to return from there.
Exactly. She did not want to come back.
See, again,
Look
she
at that.
wants to
She
go.
wants to get down.
Hi.
Come.
Chini சூடு கால்ல சூடு.
Ooh, Chini, come, we'll go. I'll get you 2 birds.
Chini.
Come. Yeah, she does not want to leave the birds. Bangalore is super cold. Coorg is not. It's super sunny and hot. I think last night the temperature in Bangalore went down to 14 degrees, but here it was 19. Wait, I'll make you wear. Wait. Oh, good. Wait. So we are at the Kaveri Nisargadama Park. There is river Kaveri which is running down. This cute little bridge. Okay, she wants the hat.
போட்டிருக்கே நீ தான் உனக்கு எல்லாம் வேணுமா அது அப்புறமா
There's a small bamboo forest and inside there are deers which you can feed, I believe. There are a lot of them actually. See inside. See what pudi. Here you go, one more. What are you eating, Chini?
என்னம்மா இது? Banana.
So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you liked the content, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.